Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our English distance learning program. How are you today? I hope that you are doing fine. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. So let's continue to our lessons. What we are going to talk today. Before getting started to the new lesson, what we are going to talk, teacher just want to revise, about the vocabularies what you already learned last time. So now as you can see, so what do you call the black one here? Alright, this is called a jacket, right? Jacket. 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 Okay, how about this one? What do you call? You put the water to school for drinking every day, okay? Okay, this is called water bottle. Water bottle. Okay, water bottle. Okay, next. Alright, here. What do you call? It is called, okay, very good. This is called a sweater. Sweater. Again, sweater. Okay, SWEATER. Sweater. And here, okay, this is called a cap, right? Cap. 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 Next. Okay, let's look at the first picture here. This is like required to be at school, okay? So what do you call? Okay, that's good. This is called a, okay, not a, so this is called sneakers. Sneakers. Okay, because two, so you're gonna put as sneakers. Okay, and here it's a kind of box that you put rice inside, okay? Rice, or you can say that you put food inside so that you can bring it to school, okay? And eat at school. Okay, so this is called a lunch box, okay? Lunch box. Lunch box, okay? Okay, that's it for our revision. So now let me continue to the lesson today. So the lesson what we are going to talk today is about asking the question with whose. Whose. Okay, asking the question with whose. So yeah, this is the topic what we are going to study today. So you're gonna make the question by using whose. So what does it mean, or when should you use whose to ask a question? So now let's have a look together. Say whose. What do you mean whose? Whose means that when you are asking about a question about what you want to know about something, okay, that belong to someone. Okay, you ask question whose when you want to know something belongs to someone. You don't know about that thing, so you gonna ask the question of whose, because you want to know that thing is for who, belong to who, okay? That's why you gonna ask question whose. Okay, you can see example to get more understood. Okay, example 1. You talk with Jane. Okay, you ask a question to Jane and Jane will answer you. You say whose book is this? Okay, the question that you ask is whose book is this? So when you ask the question whose book is this, it means that you want to know about that book is for who. Okay, that book is belong to who. You don't know, okay? That's why you ask the question whose. Yeah. So it's like that, okay? So when you don't know about something belong to someone, you're gonna ask a question by using whose, okay? So again, you say whose book is this? You don't know whose book is for who, okay? And then you ask a question, and then Jane answer you, say it is Nita's book. It is Nita's book. Now you know already, okay, about the book is for Nita, okay. Yeah, the book is for Nita. Okay, so you can answer like this. It is Nita's book. Example 2 and 3. Have a look to example number 2. Example, you again talk to John. You want to ask about lunchbox to John, okay? Because you don't know this lunchbox is for who or belong to who. That's why you need to ask John about that. So question that you can ask is, whose lunchbox is this? Whose lunchbox is this? Okay, who lunchbox here is for who, you don't know, okay? So John say, it is her lunchbox. It is her lunchbox. Okay, her lunchbox. Okay, the lunchbox here for the girl, but they don't tell the name. Just tell her lunchbox. Okay, example number 3. Example, Rita, she wants to know about the cabs. So she asked a question to you. So Rina asked a question to you that, whose cabs are these? Whose cabs are these? So you answer, say that they are my cabs. They are my cabs. Okay, because it is a lot. Okay, as you can see here, is this, and then answer, it is, are these, answer, they are. Why is one to put is this and why is one to put are these? Okay, remember, look at the word lunchbox. Lunchbox here is mean that third person singular is mean that it is only one. So when something have no s, I mean singular, we use with is this, okay. And this one, see the word cabs, they put s, okay, it means that it is a lot. So when it is a lot like this, you're gonna use are these, okay. And when you answer, you're gonna say they are, not it is, okay. It is for only one thing, and they are for something that has two up. You see the word cab here? Yeah, the word cab here is mean that it has from two up, okay. That's why they put letter s. And look at the word lunchbox, no s, okay. Again, when there is no s, you use is this, but when there are a lot, I mean more than 2, you use the are this. Okay, teachers want you to practice a bit before giving you homework to do. Okay, practice. It say make the questions. Make the question. So look at the instruction here and make the question. Example, say jacket. It means that for Lina. So it means that Lina has a jacket. Sweater for Kusal. So it means that Kusal, he has a sweater. Now please make the question about this, about jacket. You want to know this jacket is for who, okay? Belong to who? So question, how are you going to ask? At the moment, what do you ask? Okay, very good. So you can say, whose jacket is this? Whose jacket is this? Okay, this jacket is belonging to who? Or this jacket for who? Okay, and then say it is Lina's jacket. It is Lina's jacket. Okay. Number 2, sweater. You want to know about a sweater, okay? So what question do you ask? Remember, you're gonna start with whose, okay? And then plus noun. Okay, so you're gonna say whose sweater is this? Whose sweater is this? And then you answer, it's Kusal's sweater. Yes, sweater for Kusal. So it's it's Kusal's sweater. Okay? Practice one more. Okay, unscramble this. Rewrite the words in order. Number one, say this whose is water bottle. Normally you remember that whose at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Okay. So what are you going to do with number one? So you can see the word this whose is water bottle. Number two. Okay, so I check the first one first. So you're gonna say whose water bottle is this, right? Okay, whose water bottle is this. Okay, number two. Whose these sneakers? Whose these sneakers? So when you want to make the question, you're gonna say, don't forget to put whose at the beginning. Okay, so you're gonna say whose sneakers are these? Whose sneakers are these? Okay, I can see here. Teacher say are these, but this one is this. Okay, because see water singular, but sneakers are these are called plural. Okay, because they're two up. Okay, number three. Pencil whose is this? Pencil whose is this? Again, make the question, put whose first, okay? And then plus noun. So you can say whose what? Okay, very good. Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? Okay? Okay, that's it for our lesson today, everyone. I hope you learned something from it. So here is the homework for you to practice at home. So for homework, what you're gonna do is make the questions and answer. Okay, make the question and answer. Okay, so here's an example for you. Homework, what's the example? Example say whose pen that, and then you're gonna say, and then here my brother. So you make a question like this: whose pen is that? And then write the full sentence. It is my brother's pen. Okay, make a question about this one, and then answer about this one. Okay, whose pen is that? It's my brother's pen. Okay. Number two, whose pencil case? This. The answer is Lida's. So which one you're gonna make questions by saying whose pencil case is this? Whose pencil case is this? Answer, it's Lina's pen. It's Lina's pen. Okay. Here is the homework for you to practice. Okay. So write down this into your notebook and send it to me when you're done. Okay, so again, make a question and an answer. So make a question about whose jacket that. Okay, so make a correct question and then answer her. Her what? So do something the same as this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, number two. Whose sweater this, and then that. Okay. Number three. Whose water bottle that, and then say his. Answer is about his for boy. Okay. Number four. Whose lunch box this, then say Rita. So make question and answer about it. Rita. Okay, two more. Okay, whose shoe that, then say my. Number six, the last one. Whose book this, then answer your. So make question and answer. Okay. Okay, that's it everyone for today's lesson. thank you again for watching this video. So please take your time and do this homework to me. Thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.